Welcome back to another sound quiz challenge. Today, you'll be guessing 16 famous brand logos by their sounds, from drinks and toys to streaming and energy. Make sure to subscribe before we begin so you never miss our next quiz. Ready to test your ears? Let's dive in.
Can you guess this logo?
Everywhere, every time. Don't just pay, PayPal.
Which logo sounds like this?
Yes, that is PayPal.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Every payment, everywhere, every time. Don't just pay, PayPal.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Well done. That is H&M.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Exactly. It is IKEA.
Can you guess this logo?
Ring. She got ring.
Which logo sounds like this?
You got it. That is Reebok.
Ring. Girl, you got ring. She got ring.
Can you guess this logo?
The many flavors of Lay's chips. One taste and you're in love.
Which logo sounds like this?
Correct. That is Lay's.
The many flavors of Lay's chips. One taste and you're in love.
Can you guess this logo?
Celebrate the moment. Celebrate the moment.
Which logo sounds like this?
Yes, that is Ferrero Rocher.
Delicate gold foil. Ferrero Rocher. Celebrate the moment.
Can you guess this logo?
Add more fun with Speed Snap. Hot Wheels Ultimate Dual Dragon.
Which logo sounds like this?
Well done. That is Hot Wheels.
Add more fun with Speed Snap. Hot Wheels Ultimate Dual Dragon Transporter.
Can you guess this logo?
No, each set sold separately.
Which logo sounds like this?
Exactly. It is Lego.
With the new playsets from Lego Dino, each set sold separately.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
You got it. That is Play-Doh.
The new Play-Doh Kitchen Creation Spinning Treats Mixer.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Correct. That is Paramount Plus.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Yes, that is Crunchyroll.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Well done. That is Peacock.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Exactly, it is Heineken.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
You got it. That is Monster Energy.
Can you guess this logo?
Kellogg's tastes like Saturday morning.
Which logo sounds like this?
Correct. That is Kellogg's.
Kellogg's tastes like Saturday morning.
Can you guess this logo? Which logo sounds like this?
Yes, that is Colgate.
First can help someone find the courage to do the same.
Great job finishing the quiz. How many brand sounds did you guess correctly? Drop your score in the comments below and challenge a friend to beat it. If you had fun, hit like and subscribe for more quizzes every week. Don't forget to tap on one of the videos on screen for your next challenge.